Under the second quarter, Oton versus Molo battle for third. Pintado Stick Classic Tournament. Score 18-20 in favor of Oton. Line violation by Cuervo. Cabalonga to Denmark, Doliges. Cabalonga. No good. Satelian, out of bounds, save ball. Johnson, no good. Offensive foul. Jopan. Dylan Choco. 3 points by Sampiano. 20 all, 2 long 2. Denmark. Good. Johnson out of bounds.
Save
ball. Diaz.
Henderson.
Foul. One out of 2 by Coron. Change favor to Molo District, Revilla City. Diaz to Pido. For 3. Pido in and out from Sampiano to Emolaga. Piano, Sorongon, Black, Nilabas, Sorongon. 23-20, 3-point lead by Molo. Pido. Aliop, no good. Sampiano, 25-20. Timeout. Pido jumper, wala pa rin. Hila pang bola para sa Oton. Memolaga. Estoy. Mike, 3 points by 28-20. Diaz. Oh, wala pa rin. Dionson, block. Rebound by Pido. Post to post, wala pa rin. Niluluwa ang tira ni Pido. Molaga, jumper. Basket by Molaga. 30-20. We have 10-0 run para sa Molo. Hindi pa rin. AJ Denila. Long 3. No good. Pido. Once again. But not again. There's a foul. Committed by first throw. Oh good. Last throw. Sa wakas 1 out of 2 by Kit Pido. 30-21. Emulaga. Jumper. Oh, good. Pido. Dionzon, short. Richter, basket, and one. Bonus shot. No good. Marvelous back up. 5 to shoot. 3, no good. Emulaga, fakes. Valenciaco. Nagap. Off the glass. Marvelous nagap. 32-23. 9-point lead by Molo. Santillan. Lumusot. Signature Santillan. 25-32. Mike. Ganyo. Jorin Cercado, first throw. Basket. Last throw. 1 out of 2. Pido. Diaz back to Pido. All good. Laga. Traveling violation.
Traveling by
Diaz 2. No good. Pido.
Anderson.
Dionzon nabitawan. Palestinian. Steal. Ay, there's a foul. First throw. Basket. 2 out of 2 by Arvin Dionzon.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of our
23-27.
Honorable Bonifacio Martel. Sir, good evening and welcome.
Fast break. In and out. Sayang ang tira. Lagap. Long two, basket. Marvelous lagap. For 2, 35-27. With 2 minutes and 60 seconds remaining. Second quarter. Santillan. Basket by Kid Pido. 29-35. Put back. Wakas basket by Kid Pido. 35-31. The lead is down to 4. Vito comes the post, no good. Funny dropped it.
1 minute.
Nerens to AJ. Basket by 37-31. Timeout.
Oton.
Shot of 2 by Pido. Out of bounds.
Henderson. Richard Sotomayor.
Yan. Makes the basket. The lead is down to 2, 37-35. Danila. Basket. Basket again by AJ Danila.
Joy.
40-35. End of the first.
What is that?